To procure and ship from China without using agent is very much easy and very much possible. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you guys how to procure, how to select product, how to add product to cart, and how to pay your Chinese supplier using 1688 app and ship direct to whatever country of your choice without any stress, and see how you can actually pay the Chinese supplier on 1688 without any stress. So with that being said, let's start the tutorial and see how you get all these things done without using any agent. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement and importation coach. I have coached a lot of people on how they can import from China without using any agent. If that sounds great and you really want to know how you too can do that, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen on this video right here. You can connect with me on WhatsApp if you are interested to learn how you can actually do it without using agents. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can procure and how you can add product to cart and how you can pay your Chinese supplier on 1688 and ship from China to whatever country of your choice. So let's get started. So right here, I'm head over to my 1688 account. So this product here, there are things you need to consider before you can actually procure from a seller, and I have so many videos about that. You can just check them out on my channel and you're going to be fine. All right, so this particular seller right here, I need some stuff here. You know, you can see these are different products by color, and I need different color from this particular seller. So first thing first, you have to click on this place to add products to cart. So for you to add a product to cart, you have to click on here. So I'm going to select on that. Now this is pump up. Now you have to select by color and the quantity you need from this particular seller. Okay. So for you to select by color, you have to translate all these Chinese character. You have to translate this to English language, so you should be able to know which color you are selecting. So with that, you can use your iDictionary to translate. If you are using Android phone, iDictionary is good to go for you to translate on 1688 app. If you don't really know much about that, you can check my channel and see how you can translate 1688 app from Chinese character to English language. I have a video about that on my channel. Just check on the playlist right here. Okay, so let's continue. So right here, I need to translate this. Sorry for that. So I need to select by color. So this one here, I need camel color. So once you select the color you want, you have to come here and click on this plus sign here to choose the quantity. Okay, so I need one of this. So I will just tap one. Then I need another color. So for you to do that, you just have to swipe this way and see more variety color. So just drag in your iDictionary and you see I need gray, red, gray. Okay, so I need gray, which is number 7. So you have to select it. You can see when I select gray, another color pop up, and then I have to come here. Now I need just one. You click on here to select one. So I need one. Then I need another color, which is black. So you have to continue to swipe and then do your translation. I need mint green and I need black. Okay, this is black. Oh, sorry. So I need black, which is this one right here. So I'm going to select that. You can see it's turned to black. So I have to click on here and to add one of black. So making it 3. Okay. So I need bean green. I think I have to go back and check. So I'm looking for bean green. Okay, it's in number 11. This one here, this bean green. And then I need one of these. So you have to click here now to add one to cart. So making it 4. So once you are able to select all the products, you have to click on here to add the product to cart. Boom. So the product has been added to cart. So let's take a look at another product from this same particular seller and how you can also add them to cart. Alright guys, so this is another product by this same particular seller. So you can see they are still the same seller. Now there's so many stuff. Okay, so this is the first one we are able to add to cart, and we are talking about another new product entirely. So for you to add another product to cart, you have to click on here again. Then it's load up like this. Okay, so it's still the same process. So you just have to translate, and so you'll be sure of the color you are choosing. So I need this blue right here. I need just one. Then I need coffee color. Sorry. So I need one coffee color, which is this number 9 right here. So coffee. So I need just one. Okay. So I need one black, which is this. So I need one more color here. So I need this one. And check the color. So I need powder color, just one. Then once you are able to select everything, you just have to click on here again. Click on here again to add to cart. Now, when you are done with adding all the products to cart, you can now go back to your 1688 home page. So you just have to click on here, right here. So when you click on here, all the products you have been added to cart is going to be here. So just like what you see right here, you can see this is the first one we had to cart of this same company, and this is the second one we had to cart. Now for us to buy this product from this company, you just have to tick here. You click on here. So having click on that is take you right here. Okay, so when you get to this point, you can still check on the preview. All this right here are the one we have been added to cart. So you can see them right here. So you can scroll up and see the second product. So the second product here, like this. Okay, so you can also scroll down and then you see everything. So right now we are paying 68.92 RMB to buy all these products. So for you to make payment, you just have to click on here. All right, so you can see we are paying 68.92 RMB. So you have to make sure that your Alipay is selected. Then you come down here and click on here to make payment. Then immediately you click on that, Alipay is going to connect and ready to pay. All right, so right here we have to click on here now to pay with our Alipay. Then I'm going to enter my payment password straight away. So you can see it's as simple as that. So the payment has been done successfully without any stress. So for you to be sure that you are able to carry out a successful transaction, you can easily go back to your 1688 profile. You go back. All right, so by the time I refresh, the product will no longer be in my cart again. You can see now, for you to check it on the next thing you have to do is to go to your profile. The product will move straight to your profile. Then when it gets to your profile, you have to tap on here. This is where you see the product. Okay, so you can see them right here. So these are all the confirmed purchase that we are able to do. So you can see it right, it moved right here, which means it's ready. The seller is going to approve it from here and move to transit, and from there you ship your product to your Chinese warehouse without any stress. So this is what I have for you guys as far as procurement and shipping from China using 1688 is concerned. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.